common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. Stock market up 450. As called for, Bitcoin up 5.7%. 54,300 on the highs right now as we speak. Hold on a second. It looks like maybe I've got a little bit of streaming issues. Let me see if I can fix that a little bit. Let me see if that helped a little. Everything good? Can you hear me? Video okay? Says I got a little bit of problem, but I think I maybe fixed it. Is my sound all right? What's up, Igor? What up, Clifford? Tree Man? Crypto, Nate? Nate, we still got to talk. So I've been swamped here. I got a buddy in town. We've been going out some, so I'm getting no sleep. What up, Scorpio? Slime Cuda. Bitcoin, as we speak, on the highs. Stocks had a surge into the close. So once again, Wyckoff treated us well. Picked a good low in the stocks. I did buy a few that didn't perform as well as we wanted, but we are not short. We covered our shorts yesterday. Took a scratch on our shorts. Stopped today's, didn't lose any money on that. And we re-entered Bitcoin down there at 52,180 a couple thousand ago. We're still long Ethereum. It is back to, we only have a small loss there, and I did get out of Litecoin, never got it back. That's my mistake. I'm not always right, but I win high percentage. What's up, Berkey? Austin? Marco, what's going on? Alex? So, not much to really to go over. Maybe pat myself on the back a hair, but let's go to a couple charts. And we got Bitcoin technometer. You can see it was down there at buy levels, as I mentioned. We're now at 40.3 at Bitfinex. All these are just going to be coming off oversold, as they should be. Nick's in here. What's up, Joel? Bitcoin USD consolidated, 140 exchanges. Plus, you can see there, technometer, lower right, 40. Coming off of a 37.84, which is no doubt bullish. Now you can see here that I've talked about this. Third up from the bottom, the OP is hitting new lows. Did that into yesterday's low. Price is bottomed out at 50,000. The previous low was 43,000. So that is major selling since the high on February 20th, while price puts in a higher high. Now that by itself, with an oversold technometer, that's what you're always looking for if you're a Wyckoff, and if you got our software. Those are usually home runs. So, you know, I'm going to show here, I still think we're in a triangle. Bullish scenarios, we just did a 1-2. We're getting ready to ignite to the upside. So, what's up, Hunter? So, could have a barn burner of a rally coming here. The reason I'm tempered a little bit on that, as I've been saying, is I think stocks are overpriced. But we had a good buy on the stocks yesterday. They followed through today. So we will have to watch that. I don't think stocks are headed straight up. I think they're just doing a rally, which I mentioned yesterday. So same type of thing. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. Ethereum USD. So we're going to put some stops in below us now. No reason after those type of buy signals we should see the lows again that we just made. So we're going to key off those lows. Same thing here. Ethereum USD. OP goes to new low. Price doesn't. Oversold technometer. If I get some type of selling here, probably this weekend, I might come back in and pick up Litecoin again. It's going to be the same type of thing, just a little weaker relative. You can see volume, steady downtrend in the volume. And technometer was down at oversold, but it did that starting really around 186. So a little more weakness yesterday. Now let's go into stocks. Let's go to the SPY. You can see here my developer still software is not keeping colors correctly. But beyond that, I showed a oversold technometer yesterday. Which was down here. I didn't save that yesterday. So definitely an oversold technometer. Once again, I mentioned this yesterday. You've got the OP tops out on February 19th. Nice little downtrend. But to compare to this low, the OP had hit a new low. Price higher. Same thing as in Bitcoin. Price is higher, but we got an oversold technometer. So that's telling you major selling coming in. Price holding higher. That catapults you higher. S&P, what, almost closes at an all-time high here. Looks like it was just a hair below March 17th's close. So I said S&P Dow goes to new highs. NASDAQ probably does an ABC, the upside. I mentioned that yesterday. So wasn't as oversold over here. Still had a divergence between price and volume. Just not as pronounced, and then leads to today's rally. So all's good. Stock's still higher. I mentioned maybe a 330 on NASDAQ, just guessing it, would be ideal for an Elliott wave look. And Dow and S&P goes to a new high for probably a fifth wave. If I'm wrong, everything's just going to ignite here. And again, I don't think that's the case. I think we're just getting a bounce. I'm going to trade it for the bounce. Technometers get near overbought. I will be exiting. Stage left. So trying to get good risk reward trades. That's all we do here. Compound gains. Keep it moving. We got hodl bags still in the cryptos. At some point, might want to take some of that off. Still got some hodl positions, obviously, in the stock market. No major sells here. I mean, I had the one back here on February 16th. But as you saw in the S&P Dow, we're still at those levels or slightly above. So let's go back. This is really just going to be a recap from yesterday. Let's just look at the charts one more time before the weekend. Go the 4 hour. Let's go to Bitcoin. This was a chart that I was showing. Well, don't need that reloading. Hold on a second. This is a chart that we was looking at. And it could even be upward slanting, extremely bullish, but really looking for a D wave up. E down of a triangle, and then still, I'd mentioned up to 76,000. Again, not totally sure of that Elliott wave count. We're just going to be long here, let price do its thing, see what happens. I also shown a much more bullish count. I don't know why these weren't saved on here for some reason. Let's show this real quick. Well, that's not what I wanted. Let's get rid of that. And a really bullish count, this could have been a, hold on, let's go to something. I had a new screen there. There we are. The extremely bullish account that would kind of go along with stocks exploding higher would be that yesterday was a completion of a 1-2. And now we've got a 3-4-5 coming to 76,000. So again, that's not my preferred count. I don't think we got enough stock market oomph to get that going. I think we need that. Stocks and cryptos, risk on, risk off assets. What's up, A1? So this is not my preferred count, but for now we're long. It don't matter if this happens. We'll ride it up. But I'm still going with the triangle. Then let's go to Ethereum here. We got Ethereum, same type of thing. I showed this yesterday. C wave low ended. I was calling for a D wave up to around 1800. Then another pullback to 1650. And then new highs again. So that's extremely bullish count. We'll go with that for now. I have looked at FANG, yes. Don't trade it too much. So again, on Ethereum, we bought it early. We did talk about a 1550 print where we wanted to buy. We lost our patience and bought higher, screwed that trade up a little bit. So we're just back to small losses. Shout out, I know some people bought some more at 1550. If you did that, shout out to you. And Bitcoin, we used a 53.8 stop. Got back in at 52.180, I believe was the number. So bought it back cheaper than our stop and back in the game. What's up, Tom? So that's where we're at there. I mean, Litecoin, same type of thing. I showed a triangle. I don't think we're doing the 140 at the moment. So we did the C wave low and we're doing a D wave up. Same type of thing. So that's it. Dow goes out at 33,072 up 450. NASDAQ with 13,138 up 161. And S&P 3974 up 65. Again, we covered our SDS short. We're long a few stocks. Didn't have that good a day on our stock holdings. You had to be in the right stocks. That's just kind of a list of some stocks I look at. Even Tesla, 618 down 21. So nothing too exciting there. That's all I really got. Bitcoin back to 54,000. Would have made a high around 54.3. So 350 off the high. I still think it'll just hold higher through the weekend. And I'd mentioned, I mean, a 58,000 would be a good area for the triangle. If we can get up to there, you know, early next week with stocks opening higher, hopefully continuing higher. What up, Austin? So if no one's got any questions, that is all I got. Just want to come out in here real quick. If you don't know anything about Wyckoff, there's a lot of free information, wyckoffsmi.com under the library. We're launching a Wyckoff SMI China. We got Andy Chor is translating everything that I basically say or do. We got a couple new things coming. I'm trying to get the crypto software again reworked and available to subscribers. Join the Discord. It's late in the month here, so you are going to get billed again April 1. If you pay crypto, you'll be good for 30 days. So go to patreon.com/learncrypto or hit me up on Twitter, Nick or I, and we can let you in with paying with crypto. What's up, Stray Cat? Yeah, old man, we need to do that, or I need to at least bring Nick in on Zoom maybe, but we're talking about getting together, so the shows definitely are better if you get 2 or 3 people on them. All I'm really doing kind of is quick updates, keeping everybody current. You're welcome, Clifford. Appreciate the business. Bitcoin 53,830. A little bit of selling here. So again, that's all I got. I'm going to run a couple commercials for our crypto Discord and also private client group. We do manage crypto and stock assets through Charles Schwab. So if no one's got any questions or comments, I'm out of here. Enjoy the weekend. And we'll be back here, no doubt, Monday at 2 o'clock probably. Any wild action this weekend, I might jump on. All right, we're out of here. Disclaimer, do your own research, not individual investment advice. See you Monday.
Do you personally invest or trade stocks? Then you'll want to gain access to our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.